Hello kids, come and see. Fruits are fun for you and me. Let's learn fruits one by one. Learning fruits is fun. This is an apple.
Apple is red.
Apple is crunchy.
Apple is sweet.
This is an orange.
Orange is orange.
Orange is juicy.
Orange has vitamin C. This is a banana. Banana is yellow. Banana is long. Banana gives energy.
This is a kiwi.
Kiwi is brown outside.
Kiwi is green inside.
Kiwi tastes fresh.
These are grapes.
Grapes are purple.
Grapes grow in bunches.
Grapes are sweet.
This is a watermelon.
Watermelon is big.
Watermelon is green outside. Watermelon is red inside. This is a strawberry.
Strawberry is red.
Strawberry has tiny seeds. Strawberry is sweet. This is a cherry.
Cherry is round.
Cherry is round.
Cherry has a pit.
This is a pomegranate.
Watermelon is red.
Pomegranate has many seeds. Pomegranate has ruby seeds. This is a mango.
Mango is yellow.
Mango is soft.
Mango is juicy.
This is a pineapple.
Pineapple is big.
Pineapple is yellow inside. Pineapple tastes fresh. This is a pear.
Pear is green.
Pear is soft.
Pear tastes mild.
This is a peach.
Peach is orange.
Peach is soft.
Peach smells nice.
This is a lemon.
Lemon is yellow.
Lemon is sour.
Lemon smells fresh.
Apple.
Orange.
Banana too.
Kiwi. Mango. Just for you. Strawberry. Grapes. Watermelon.
Healthy fruits for everyone.
Hello friends, follow us for more educational songs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button.